Fish on, decent fish on. Good morning from not sunny Cornwall. We're doing our usual annual boat trip around the Galway. Me, Ian and John. We're at Newquay Harbour at the moment. I think we're sailing off 8:15. Got about 15 minutes. Took a while to find the place first, been walking. But nice lovely day, flat calm. Bit of a drizzle at the moment, but it's supposed to be brightening up later on. Yeah, let's go find the boat and get on the boat and hopefully see while we're setting up. So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully get to show you some decent fish today. Fingers crossed. Yeah, this is our boat for the day, guys. Plenty of room on there for 3 of us. I think there's 5 of us in total, so not too bad. Alright, let's get on board, and I'll see you guys on the boat. And we're off.
We are fully kitted out. We've got life jackets down in front on the left hand side there. 2 life rafts up on the roof. Unless you see me jump into it, don't worry about it. Fire escapes everywhere. We've got 2 fire extinguishers. One just under the kettle, one's right down at the front. If I fall in, please try and get me back on board. If you can't, the radio is just next to the wheel on the right hand side. Pick it up, press the button, scream out, lifeboats, helicopters, the works. Safety, done. So what we're going to do today, 6 hours. We've got a bit of a slack tide at the moment, so I think we're going to shoot out to one of the wrecks a couple of miles off, drop the anchor, get some big baits down, or big-ish, whole squid, so we can get a couple of conger, ling, something like that. See if that's working. As the tide picks up, obviously it's going to be a little bit more difficult keeping the baits on the bottom. Probably just shoot off and get some pollacking done. Yeah. Just do a bit of luring out there and just see if we can pick up some big fish, really. So probably going to take us about half an hour-ish to get out to the first wreck, so feel free to wander around. Just don't fall in.
That's it, we're all set. Yeah. I'm with the champion, Ian, 2018.
And 2019.
And 19, yeah. And John. Yeah. Now we are off to the first wreck, about half an hour steam. Yeah, gonna drop some big baits down for conger, ling, anything really on the big baits. And then when the tide picks up, get some luring them for pollack or anything like that. But stay tuned, guys. Catch you in a bit when we're setting the big baits down.
See, baby, I never say for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me. For I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back.
Right, just arrived at the wrecks now, guys. Bait choice is a big full squid there with a, I think, 6-0. Looks like a meat hook, and 8-ounce lead with a running ledge. Huh? Right, let's sand it down, see what we get hold of. Major, but first fish on the boat. coming up. Again, off the boat champion.
They definitely don't want to catch it.
I suspect it could be a pouting.
I'd rather, I'd rather catch nothing.
Or you bring in,
Yeah, mate.
let's see what you're bringing up. Yep, see collar there. Oh, nice size. What is it? Oh, pout, yeah, I thought it was. Oh, far looked, is it? Bring it up. Yeah, far look pout.
Oh, I snagged it.
Look at that. Perfect size for a conger. Good size bait. I will we'll fill it then and chuck it back out for conger bait.
Snagged on.
How? Yeah.
Leave the bait on, can't you?
Yeah.
Thanks to Ian, he got a nice pouting, so it's going straight down. Oops. There we go.
Is it?
Yeah. John's got a fish on here. Yeah. Ling? No, dogfish. Typical.
Yeah, exactly. Doggy.
Nice little dogfish for John. He's on to the fish again. Hopefully it's not a dogfish.
Probably is.
He had a nice, what did he have? Nice little fillet of pouting. See a collar? It's a dogfish, I think. Oh no, nice little conger.
Oh, really?
Yeah, nice little whip. Well done, Ian. Nice one. Good stuff. Fishing again. Guess who's? Guess who? Coming in, are they? Could be another conger, that. Small conger. Ian's got the lucky corner again. No colour yet. Yeah, collar's on. Is it? What is it? Duck? a dogfish.
Oh.
Nice little dogfish there for Ian.
It's a nice horrible feeling when you see the doggy come out.
Yeah.
What?
Still a fish.
It's a
I'm on the
fish.
blank.
Yeah, it is a fish. Yeah, so the reef is just in front of the boat at the moment. The tide has just switched around to be pushing in, so in the next sort of, it's about flat water now, but in the next sort of 20 minutes it'll start pushing that way. So hopefully we get the
Right, on to the second spot on the reef. I'm looking for maybe swimmy downs, bullos, anything like that on a full squid bait. Right, fingers crossed guys, and get back to you if you get anything. Finally, this fish on guys. Part on part. Could be a pouting. Could be a pouting. Blank beater. No, it's a dogfish. Hey doggy. There's the seagull, look the seagull. Seagull going for it. Oh, he was holding on.
Straight away as well.
Right, Blank's beating anyway.
How's that bait?
Oh, fish on. There's doggies. Let's have a look. That's taking everything. Conger, yeah? Nice little conger. Conger. Nice little conger there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Hold on to.
Just grab this in.
Yeah, please. Yeah. Nice
Oh,
one.
yeah, that's a good size.
Yeah,
conger.
nice. Oh, that's conger at all.
Yeah. Sweet.
Let's unhook it and then can have a little picture of it.
Yeah, of course.
Off he goes. John's got something, I think, yeah. Dogfish, is it?
Dogfish. Doggy.
Another dog here. half broken. Oh, Ian. Still a fish.
It is.
Good spot.
Yeah, the fishing's been steady, not great, but steady. Yeah,
Off he goes down the depth. Changing the tactics. Got our side binders on. I'm gonna try for Pollack, maybe a ling, maybe odd codlin, if any about. Just onto the reef now. So gonna drop these on and see what's out there. Oh, ling, I think. Yeah. Ling?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, nice ling. Oh, lovely ling. Well done, John.
Yes.
Cracker.
Nice.
Good, good, good.
Was that about £5?
Yeah. Oh, I've got a scale if you want to weigh.
I've got a scale there. We'll have a weigh now, shall we? Nice.
How many
What?
turns off the boat was that, John? We got 10.
John's into cracker, I think.
Reeling him off.
Bigger than 6, this is.
Taking line off and everything.
It's taking all the way up, John, all the way down. What about halfway?
Yeah.
Wow.
Something decent, taking lines. Pollack that. I know, yeah, at least someone. That lure's working very well. Yep. I want it up.
Yeah. Don't let the drag too tight, it's got enough that they will stand there. We've got to take a bit.
Yep, I want. Nice Pollack.
Good Pollack.
Lovely size Pollack. Come on. There's Jones Pollack there. I know I've got one on. Oh, cracker. Oh, I've got something on, but not as big. Is mine link or Pollack? Yeah, that's a nice Pollack there. That's the kipper. Yeah, nice little hook this one, not going anywhere.
That's good enough.
That's it, that's it. Not too bad at all.
Nice. Sweet.
How's I throw them fillets? They're obviously flat.
Nicely hooked, just in the top lip.
Yeah. Watch your back, son. Not a bad size. Pollack at all.
I want to do both, really. Yeah, I don't want to.
What's that weight? 7?
This was 7, yeah.
7. This will be about £5 mark.
Yeah, I think so.
And it is
I'm just going to act in a bit more fun.
Happy with that? Let's get some more. That was about £5 mark, I'd say. But John's was weighed £7. So that's the biggest fish of the day so far. The building weighed £6. Brilliant. Hopefully get some more. That's Ian with another Pollack. Couple of pounds.
They're all perfectly hooked and top lip as well.
Yeah.
So
That's barbecue, innit?
absolutely, 100%.
Well done, Ian.
We've got plenty of meat now.
Fish on. Decent fish on. Yeah, the nice size Pollack here, I think. Yeah. Oh. Nice. Nice. Nice head shakes there. Link? No big Pollack.
Big Pollack. Yeah, another big Pollack.
Wow, that's a PB Pollack for me, I think.
Nice.
Nice
That is a good size Pollack.
That's a cracking size Pollack. It's always sand deal that worked, solid gear.
Nice.
Yeah, changed the lure.
What about fuzzy, like?
Quite fired up, about halfway up.
The big ones do like to chase stuff up. That is a good.
That's a prime size Pollack there. There we go, guys. £7, just over £7, £7.1 or £7.2 roundabouts. PB Pollack. He gave me a hell of a fight. Yeah, happy with that. Nice few fillets off this later on. Ready for tea tonight. Right, stay tuned. Get back to the video, another fish scene hopefully. Ian's on to a nice Pollack again, taking lines. So fishery, guys. Oh, that's the biggest or what? And that's a nice one, that. Well done, Ian.
Nice. Spot on.
Good size Pollack there.
It is a good size Pollack.
Cracker.
That was near the top again.
Was it, yeah?
Yeah.
Hooked perfectly.
On the top lip there. That's the end of another great day on the boat. Ian outfished us again. He had the most fish, but I had the heaviest fish. So yeah, decent day out, wasn't it?
Yeah, brilliant. One of the best trips we've been on so far.
Yeah, recently. Yeah, probably the overall, isn't it? Well, not if you're not counting the Whitby trips on the cods. But yeah, it's been
2
decent.
sacks of fish.
We'll go and fillet them and get ready for tonight's tea. Fish and chips for everyone for the week. Right, thanks all for watching, and see you on the next episode, guys.
Welcome to Stan, thank you.
How was that, Ian?
Unbelievable. Catch of the day.
My PV there on the plate.
Going in my mouth.
Rate it.
Can't fault it. Can't fault it.